Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I will be cooking some brown stew chicken, which is a different version from my previous video. Now before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about the roots of this Jamaican dish. Brown stew chicken is a flavorful fusion of African, European and Indian influences. In this dish we season the chicken with various spices and we add a lot of veggies as well. Now for this dish I like to cut my chicken in small pieces. To make the dish healthier, I like to remove the skin off the chicken. Brown stew chicken is one of my go-to dishes when I'm short on time. It is really easy to prepare, usually less than an hour. This dish also have many health benefits, especially if it's cooked the right way. It is a really good source of lean protein, especially when you remove the skin. Now don't forget to add some vinegar to the water when you wash your chicken. Now in this version of brown stew chicken, I do not add the browning until after the chicken is partially cooked. Now if you've been enjoying my videos and cooking tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, like up the video. Now if you've seen any of my videos before, you know that I rarely ever cook without garlic. It has so much health benefits. Now the thyme and other spices used are also known for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Garlic is good for blood pressure control and it is also known to thin the blood. Onion is also another ingredient that I rarely cook without. Now it's important to note that the health benefits of this Jamaican brown stew chicken varies depending on how you prepare the dish. So for the healthiest version, it's best to remove the skin off the chicken, add low salt and add a lot of veggies to the dish and use a little bit of oil. Now these veggies I'm adding are a rich source of minerals and vitamins such as A, B and C. Now carrot is high in vitamin A and is good for the vision. You can also add some potato to the dish, which will help to make the gravy rich, but I didn't have any today, so I didn't have any. Now this dish is quick and easy to make. As I said, usually under 1 hour. But another thing you can do to cut the cooking time is to season your meat overnight. So when you come home from work, you can have it on the table in probably even in half an hour. Now in this version of brown stew chicken, I'll be frying the chicken a little to give it some color before I add the veggies and the browning. You can also add a little piece of ginger to this dish, but I didn't have any today. Now if you're somebody that need to monitor your salt intake, say you have high blood pressure, you don't need to even add salt to the dish because the garlic salt is enough. Now as you can see, I didn't fry the chicken all the way. I just wanted to give them a little bit of color before I add the water and the browning. I also added some low sodium soy sauce to the dish. There are many people that should be eating healthy but have no idea where to start. Stews and soups are usually a good place to start because you may only need a little bit of oil or no oil in the case of making soup. I like to add butter to the dish, but you really don't have to. By the way, this butter is made from olive oil, so it's pretty healthy. Now you know Jamaicans love them scotch bonnet pepper, so it would not be traditional to cook this dish without some scotch bonnet pepper in it. Scotch bonnet pepper is not just for heat, it also boosts the immune system and it fights inflammation. Now once the chicken and vegetables are cooked and you have a nice gravy, dinner is ready to be served. Now brown stew chicken always go well with some roast breadfruit, but if you don't have any breadfruit and you want to eat healthy, you can try brown rice or quinoa or any other grain that you choose. Now before we end this video, check out this bonus clip from our beautiful island of Jamaica. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.